Then moving on to year 3, adverbs, they find out that adverbs don't just end in ly. Okay, so now the adverbs get a little bit more complex. So here, the adverbs that don't end in ly could be ones like far, soon, well, often. And so the verb is ran. How far did they run? Where did they run? They ran far. They will return soon. They're feeling well or feeling unwell. They visited often. Okay, so adverbs here are describing the verb, but they are not ending in ly. Everyone, my name is Sabina and I've been a teacher for 30 years, and I also tutor children for their SATS, their 11 plus, and teach GCSE foundation level English and math. I have a parent teacher group and I answer all your questions in there, and you get access to this video and other videos that I've done so that you can refer back to them in that group too. I do 3 of these sessions a week, which last on the platform for about a week, and then I take them off and then they get archived into the group. So if you want to join the group, then the link and the details are in the description below. So come and join the group and then I'll happily answer any questions that you have. I also have a free parent teaching magazine which goes out every month. So if you would like access to that delivered free to your inbox, then sign up. The details are also in the link with this description.